Fundamental analysis versus technical analysis. Which is better and which one you should do? For answering this, let us first take this example. Adani Green was suggested 3 years back as a positional pick. The reason was that fundamentally company had turned profitable and technically it had given a multi-year breakout. And it was around 200 levels at that time. So from 200 levels, if you see in next uh, couple of years, the stock went to as high as 4,000. So uh, fundamentally, let us see what exactly changed in this stock. Now, closely monitor the net profit, and it was in loss in 2017, 2018. Also, the loss was increased, and in 2019, it increased. It was even more increased. However, in March 2020, you can see net loss was reduced to minus 68 crores, and in the following years, it turned profitable, and then exponential profit was there. So you can see with each year the profit increased exponentially from March 2020 onwards. So fundamentally, the first time when it was a buy was in March 2020. And in the same, you can check the EPS also starts to increase exponentially. So we can say fundamentally from March 2020 onwards, the stock was a buy. However, if you look at the technical chart, the stock gave a multi-year breakout in October 2019, which means at 70 levels, it was a buy as per technical analysis. However, the fundamental buy came in 2020 when the stock was already 100% up from this level. So this means that as per this data, fundamental analysis is a little bit lagging, and when the actual results or news came out, the stock had already gone up. And if you don't know technical analysis, you will miss this move. And from this level onwards, both the fundamental and technical are complementing each other. As you saw, the net year-on-year profit and EPS is increasing year by year. Now, the stock has already reached a all-time high, and fundamentally, as you see, the profit is still increasing. However, if you see the technical chart, you can see this has given a strong down impulse followed, and whatever is happening is maybe a corrective structure, which means technically one down move can come in this stock in the future coming years. And at this time, although the profit is increasing, when it will start falling, there may be a news of disappointment in results which may come in future. However, the price is already showing that. So what I'm trying to say is that technical analysis is a leading indicator, and if you know how to see charts, then even fundamental analysis will be lagging for you. Comment down if you agree with this analysis and you think technical analysis is more important, and if you consider this if this delivers value, consider subscribing and sharing with a friend. Thank you.